Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we'll be showing you guys how to install Windows 11 from scratch. As you can see, the first thing you see is the familiar blue screen, and that seems mostly unchanged from Windows 10. Next, we'll hit Install Now. Of course, there is the option to repair your computer from here. Now, it will ask you here to put in your product key, and it will automatically determine your version from there. Most OEM motherboards have the key inside of it on some, I believe it's in the TPM or some sort of module on the motherboard. But since this is a virtual machine, you can also hit I don't have a product key if you'd like to change the version or add in your key later. So we'll go ahead and hit Windows 11 Pro. Next, we will accept the Microsoft software license terms. I do recommend reading this at least once. It doesn't seem to change much between versions. As you can see, this one was updated on June 2021. Now we're going to go ahead and hit Custom, Install Windows Only. You would do an upgrade if you were to upgrade like Windows 10 directly to Windows 11. As you can see here, we have a hard drive. All you have to do is hit New, Apply, and as you can see, it's created these two other partitions, which will be used for Windows recovery later if you need to. We'll hit Next, and then we'll go ahead and start installing. This beginning part is pretty much exactly the same as Windows 10. So the longest part of this first installation is the getting files ready for installation part, which for me took 7 minutes. And then installing features is nearly instantaneous, and then installing updates shouldn't take too long. We'll see here in a minute. Yes, that took about 30 seconds, and then it will restart. I'll go ahead and hit the Restart Now button. Okay, guys, so that initial installation, while that only took about 12 minutes, it's been about 10 for it to set up devices for it to get to this screen, which is already vastly different from Windows 10. So let's go ahead and do the setup. So the installation and setup of devices took about 23 minutes overall. Let's see how long it takes to set things up. This seems to be the same question as in Windows 10, but a much fancier screen. We'll go ahead and say no. What I did notice right here is this little man for accessibility. That's kind of nice. All right, so I know that Windows likes to immediately make you connect to a network so you can sign into a Microsoft account, but this virtual machine doesn't have access to the internet. Thankfully, there's a I don't have internet button. Yeah, I figured it wants you to log into your Microsoft account, but we don't really have those at our company. All right, so we'll just use our name here. If it's anything like Windows 10, I can not use a password here. It seems that yes, it's just like Windows 10. That's not a whole lot more secure. Same questions as Windows 10. We'll go ahead and hit accept. I do recommend you read through those and pick and choose as you need. This tends to be the last step. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long. They added a really cool animation to it this time. In Windows 10, it's just a nice black screen. All right, guys. It finished doing the additional setup after our manual setup. And all in all, it's clocking in at 15 seconds less than 30 minutes from beginning to end. So you can see we have a working instance of Windows 11. It was pretty interesting that the start menu started open. Let's go ahead and see how much space Windows 11 is consuming. So a fresh install of Windows 11 is consuming 45 gigabytes of space. That's something to keep in mind if you're installing on an older device. All right, I do believe that is the end of our install Windows 11 from scratch tutorial. Let us know down in the comments what you would like to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.